Hello dear traders, today is the 18th of April, Thursday. Here's a new video review I have prepared for the InstaForex company. Today, the United States will issue reports that will affect the US dollar. Thus, traders are looking forward to the publication of the US unemployment claims data and Philly Fed manufacturing index figures. The market situation could also be shaped by the data on US existing home sales. Let us focus on the trading charts. Yesterday, the gold trend changed to a bearish from a bullish one. During the US trade, we saw a three-wave structure. However, today the price has slightly recovered. At present, I suppose that it is better to sell gold as there is a very interesting level of 23.17 that has not been broken since April 8. Under the current conditions, there are two variants to act on. You may either open short positions from a considerable swing high recorded earlier or sell from the current swing point. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair is showing a bullish correction. Notably, the trading instrument inched down because of the greenback's appreciation amid the US inflation figures. The main trend is bearish. However, the bulk of information from the United States may change the overall situation. The pound-dollar pair is showing almost the same dynamic. Although we have an interesting upward plan for the Australian dollar, it is still losing value. There are no reasons to open long positions. The dollar-yen pair is trading at very high levels near 154. Curiously, the Bank of Japan is ignoring the market situation. On the 15-minute chart, we can see an area that could be broken soon. That is why traders should be very attentive. There's information that the Bank of Japan may soon start acting to affect the pair's movement. In the event of this, the pair is likely to show a movement of 5,000 pips. As for the silver, it stagnated at a level of 30 USD. I know that some traders have already locked in profits. I will leave it at that for now. See you next time.